I really want to make the basketball team next year, so I'm going to add that as a goal in Studyo. I'll give it a title and enter my goal. If I make it by June, I'll be on the team next school year. Let's see what Mentor thinks. I thought that was a pretty good goal, but Mentor thinks it could be stronger. Some parts work, but it's still asking some good questions. How will I know if I'm making progress, and what am I actually going to do between now and June? That's a good point. I know I'll need to attend practices, complete extra training sessions, and get regular feedback from my coach. I'll add that to my goal and see what Mentor thinks now. That makes a lot more sense. Now I know exactly what I'm working toward and what I'll be doing to get there. Of course, a goal by itself won't get me there, so I still need to decide what I'm actually going to do. I know I'll need extra shooting practice, which is basically a regular Studyo task, so I can still add steps, reminders, and repeat it to help me stay on track. I'll add a few more things that will help me make the team. Now I can see the work that will help me get there. As I complete these tasks, my goal progress updates automatically. So I'm not just checking off tasks, I'm also moving closer to my goal. Now I have a goal, a plan, and a way to track my progress. I wonder, what else could I use this for?